I'm not sure how this is all going to come out because I'm using my DJI Mic, which is attached to me right now, and my other vlogging camera. There's my main camera, but this is my secondary one. It's a Sony ZV-E10 Mark II, just testing it out. I haven't got any lights on, but I am using the 1.7 aperture. I'm probably going to get quite a lot of exposure on the side of my face because the window's open and the sun's coming through. Got my fan on because it is super burning hot. Shah Jahan Jewel is just showing off Fluent Player Pro, and I'm watching it. I've had a play with it and it's really, really good. And I think at the time he did this, I got a video coming out. And over on this screen over here, I'm doing a bit of codexing. Sorry, I went a bit close to the camera then, didn't I? Doing a bit of codexing on my website where I built out my homepage, exported it as a JSON, and I'm going to turn my chair around so it's easier to talk like this. And I'm now using MCP adapter just to import it onto another website and just see how well it handles the import and all of that. And it's currently waiting for me to accept a prompt. So this is going to be interesting to see how things go. And I need to be paying attention to Shah Jahan's. Can you see him on screen? I don't know if you can see him. I'm going to just turn it and see if you can see him talking. He's just over there. There's his little face. I'm not sure how this is going to look on screen because when you have like overexposure light, sometimes things like look a bit too bright. But yeah, let's see how this goes. And hopefully the sound is all going to be all right because this is a test for WordCamp US in terms of am I going to be okay carrying around this heavy camera and what's the quality like overall. But I'm just playing around a bit more with MCP adapters because people have said, Imran, when are you going to do videos on that? Obviously, I've been playing around a lot with Angie, Nova Mirror. You know, I want to do a few things on that and I'm testing it out. I want my videos to be a little bit different from maybe what others are doing. I love watching all the other videos. I mean, Ferdy is killing it with the amount of stuff he puts out with different ways of using AI. Killing it in a good way. Reno as well doing his lovable. Paul, Jeffrey, you know, they've always got like, I always go, wow, why didn't I think of that? But they're so brilliantly in different ways of using it. I want to come at it from a different approach. So that's my plan and what I'm hoping to do. So hopefully the quality of this is going to look pretty good. I keep looking at the screen. The lens is done, I keep looking at the screen because it's got a flip out lens, which always helps to understand whereabouts you're sat and standing and you're in frame and everything. So let's see how the quality and how the sounds on this. Take care, see you soon. Got to go watch this video. Bye.